Hi guys, a very warm welcome and buongiorno from Brindisi Salento Airport in southern Italy. Today I'm checking out the Eurowings service 9855 operated by airBaltic from Brindisi in Italia to Dusseldorf in Germany. So I'm ready, the camera is ready, and let's do it!
We are welcome aboard this airBaltic Airbus A220 aircraft operating for Eurowings on the flight back to Dusseldorf. From our side, we are currently ready to go, expecting to get the clearance to start our engines in the next few minutes, which after we will depart. Flight time today expected 2 hours 15 minutes, during which most of the way is expected to be a smooth ride. Regardless, the last third of the flight it can be a bit bumpy, so for that reason I would kindly ask you to keep your seatbelts nice and tightly fastened whenever you're at your seats, and that will be for safety and convenience. Paid support from our destination in Dusseldorf. Unfortunately, the weather is not as nice as it's here. There's some shower in the near vicinity of the airport with temperature currently plus 8 degrees above the skies, and it's also expected to be quite strong winds later on during the day. That's it for myself for now. I'll come back to you later on with fresh arrival updates once we're closer to our destination. But for now, thank you for your attention and I wish you a pleasant flight.
Dear passengers, welcome to Dusseldorf. The local time is 2:50 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Remember to take all of your personal belongings and please take care when opening the overhead lockers. On behalf of Eurowings, thank you for choosing to fly with us. It has been a pleasure to you on board and we hope to welcome you on our flight soon again. Thank you and we wish you all a very great day. Goodbye.
Yes, ciao.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild, upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild, upside down. Upside down. Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got your world upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got your world upside down.